flip a belt. Okay, so you have your belt. You have the hole where it stays here. Now you're gonna want to flip it over, flip over the belt so that's so you're facing this way, and the hole's on the back. Okay, so if you do that, take the end, bring it over here, put it through, just like you're going to put on your belt. Okay. Get through, then you lift up, so it's kind of like that. Bring it back towards you. Now, you take this, pull, and push through, or actually no, this is the only way. Alright, I just did it. Once you push through, it flipped, and the safe side is gone. So yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.